The Enigmatic Journey of Sleep, a dive into the science and mystique. As the sun dips below the horizon and the world drifts into the soft embrace of twilight, a hush falls over nature. Birds nestle into their roosts, and nocturnal creatures stir to life. Meanwhile, humans prepare for a nightly ritual as old as time itself: sleep. In bedrooms across the globe, people slip beneath blankets, their eyes growing heavy, minds ready to embark on an enigmatic journey into the realm of dreams. This nightly voyage is not merely a respite from the day's activities, but a complex, indispensable process that scientists have long sought to understand. Sleep is a fundamental natural state characterized by a reduction in voluntary body movement and decreased reaction to external stimuli. Scientifically, it is defined as a reversible state of reduced responsiveness to the environment, accompanied by complex and patterned electrical brain activity. This state is crucial for various physiological and cognitive functions and is divided into two main types: non-rapid eye movement, NREM, sleep, and rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. NREM sleep is further categorized into three stages, N1, N2, and N3, each representing a progressively deeper state of sleep. Stage N1 is the lightest stage of sleep, where the transition from wakefulness to sleep occurs. During this phase, the brain produces high-amplitude theta waves, 4-7 Hz, and muscle activity decreases. It is common to experience sudden muscle contractions known as hypnic jerks, often accompanied by a sensation of falling. In stage N2, the body begins to prepare for deep sleep. Heart rate slows, body temperature drops, and eye movement ceases. Brain activity is marked by sleep spindles and K complexes, which are thought to play a role in memory consolidation and synaptic pruning. Stage N3, also known as slow-wave sleep, SWS, or deep sleep, is critical for physical restoration. The brain emits delta waves, 0.54 Hz, and it becomes challenging to wake someone in this state. During N3, the body repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens the immune system. Following NREM sleep, the body transitions into REM sleep, characterized by rapid eye movements, increased brain activity, and vivid dreaming. Despite the brain's heightened activity during REM, the body remains in a state of temporary paralysis, known as atonia, to prevent acting out dreams. REM sleep is essential for emotional regulation, memory consolidation, and brain development. It is during this stage that the most intense dreams occur, weaving narratives that can be bizarre, fragmented, or deeply meaningful. Despite centuries of study, the full purpose of sleep remains one of science's greatest mysteries. However, several critical functions have been identified. Sleep allows the body to repair and rejuvenate tissues, synthesize proteins, and release growth hormones. It is during sleep that muscle repair, growth, and healing occur, underscoring the importance of adequate rest for physical health. Sleep is vital for cognitive processes, including learning, memory consolidation, and problem-solving. During sleep, the brain processes information from the day, solidifying new memories and integrating them with existing knowledge. This process enhances cognitive performance and facilitates creativity. Sleep reduces the body's metabolic rate and energy consumption. By conserving energy, sleep ensures that resources are available for vital functions, such as maintaining body temperature and cellular repair. Adequate sleep is crucial for a robust immune system. During sleep, the production of cytokines, proteins that help fight infection, inflammation, and stress, increases. This boost in immune function helps the body fend off illnesses and recover more quickly from infections. Sleep, particularly REM sleep, plays a significant role in regulating emotions. It helps process emotional experiences, reducing the impact of negative emotions and enhancing the ability to cope with stress. Dreams are one of the most fascinating aspects of sleep. They occur primarily during REM sleep, but can also happen during NREM stages. The content of dreams can range from mundane to surreal, often reflecting a blend of reality and imagination. Several theories attempt to explain why we dream. Dreams may help process and consolidate memories. By reactivating neural circuits associated with recent experiences, dreams integrate new information with existing knowledge, facilitating long-term memory formation. Dreams can help process emotions and cope with stressful or traumatic experiences. By re-experiencing emotions in a safe environment, the brain can reduce the intensity of negative emotions and improve emotional resilience. Dreams often present unique scenarios that challenge conventional thinking. This can lead to creative solutions to problems and inspire new ideas. Many artists, scientists, and inventors have attributed their breakthroughs to insights gained from dreams. Some theories suggest that dreams result from random neural activity in the brain. The brain, in an attempt to make sense of this activity, constructs narratives that can seem coherent but are often disjointed and bizarre. While dreams are real experiences that occur in the mind during sleep, the content of dreams does not reflect reality in a literal sense. Dreams can be influenced by daily experiences, emotions, and subconscious thoughts, but they are not accurate representations of real-world events. They are a blend of memories, imagination, and neural activity, creating a unique, often surreal experience. The notion that the soul leaves the body during sleep is a spiritual or metaphysical concept rather than a scientific one. Scientifically, there is no evidence to support the idea that the soul or any non-physical entity exits the body during sleep. Instead, sleep is explained through physiological processes and brain activity. The brain remains active, undergoing various stages of sleep, each with distinct patterns of electrical activity that facilitate the functions necessary for physical and mental health. As dawn approaches and the first light of day pierces the horizon, the world stirs from its slumber. The journey through the night, marked by cycles of NREM and REM sleep, comes to an end. This nightly odyssey, though often taken for granted, is a cornerstone of human health and well-being. Sleep, with its restorative powers, cognitive benefits, and emotional balancing act, remains an area of profound scientific inquiry and enduring mystery. Dreams, those fleeting narratives spun by the sleeping mind, continue to captivate and confound, offering glimpses into the depths of our subconscious. In the grand tapestry of life, sleep is both a respite and a necessity, a reminder of the intricate balance between rest and activity. As we close our eyes each night and surrender to the embrace of sleep, we participate in an ancient ritual, one that binds us to the rhythms of nature and the cycles of the cosmos. Through sleep, we find renewal, resilience, and a bridge to the dreamscape, a realm where the boundaries of reality and imagination blur and the mysteries of the mind unfold.